Hey, what's going on, guys? Boosted Whips here again. Today we're gonna be installing slotted drill rotors and new brake pads. We're here at Asian Motors, so they're gonna go ahead and be doing this install. I'm also gonna be changing the lug nuts. You guys know I have the Project Kicks RL53, but I'm changing them to these blue ones from Vossen, just because I have blue caliper covers now. So I'm also gonna be putting those on there, and these rotors are the same size. There's nothing, it's not a BBK or anything like that. It's just so that I can have that nice look, and also it helps as well on that braking performance up to some certain extent, just because they're slotted and drilled. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, get these baby in. I'll take some few shots of them just installing, just for viewing pleasure, and then I'll give you guys see how everything looks. So I'm gonna give you a nice close-up right now of how everything is looking stock, just so that kind of in the transition you guys can see what the effect and how it looks physically and whatnot. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so here's the front. This is how it looks. Obviously a nice stock look, and those are the blue CCI caliper covers that I have on now that I was talking to you about. So those red lug nuts by Project Kicks are coming off and being replaced by the Vossen blue ones that you saw on the previous session. So this is the front, and of course this is the back. So once I have it installed, I'll go ahead and I'll show you an after effect, and as well, of course, as they're installing it, I'll also take a few clips in there, and then we'll finalize this. So here we go. Alright, guys, we got the first one done already. Looks really nice. Alright, guys, here you have it. These are the R1 concepts. They're fully installed by Asian Motors. As usual, they do a very phenomenal work. As I was on my way home, definitely you see an improvement in the braking performance. Obviously not as much as you have BBK, but definitely it adds just that extra braking power, which is phenomenal. So and it's mostly because of the actual rotor, and they're slotted, so they don't tend to bend or warp, if you will, as you're braking and using it. So I definitely recommend these if you just want to not break the bank and want to do some either aesthetics and just that little extra braking performance. So this is the front. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the back, and then I'll give you the details of where to purchase them and what you got to do to get the $300 shipped. You get the 4 rotors, you get a hardware kit, which is the brackets, the little washers or whatever that goes into the system, and you get 4 brake pads. So I'm going to show you the back now. Alright, guys, so this is the back. Also looks phenomenal. Great work from Asian Motors. And guys, to get this, all you have to do is contact R1 Concepts. His name is Kevin. I'll put all the details in the description, and all you have to do is mention the 10th Gen Facebook forum or Boosted Whips, and they'll get you this price point. This is shipped, $300 shipped for this entire system, and it looks really great. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, and subscribe as always. And until next time, Boosted Whips, I'm out. Have a very pleasant day.